Welcome to the official channel. Get ready to learn, grow, and succeed. Want to create a LinkedIn account? Open LinkedIn, click Sign Up, enter your details, and complete your professional profile. Step 1. Build a professional LinkedIn profile. Step 2. Showcase your skills with a strong portfolio.
Step 3. Find businesses that need your services. Step 4. Build genuine professional connections.
Step 5. Share valuable content consistently. We must optimize your ad spend. This will double your leads. I'm very impressed. Let's do it.
Step 6. Turn conversations into paying clients.
Thanks for watching Aryan Khan Officials. Subscribe and stay connected.